Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to take a closer look at the slowest animal on the planet. Number 10. Sloth. Renowned for their leisurely lifestyle, sloths spend mostly time hanging upside down from trees. They move so slowly that even algae grow on their fur, giving them a natural camouflage. Number 9. The giant tortoise. In the realm of slow animals, the tortoise claims its place. This Asian creature showcases incredible longevity and patience. Giant tortoise are known for their slow and steady movement, often taking their time to navigate their surroundings. Number 8. Garden snail. Garden snails are known for their crawling speed as they move along by gliding on a layer of slime. With their characteristic spiral shells, snails navigate the world with their own gentle pace. They use their slime trails to glide along the surface, leaving behind a shiny testament of their unhurried journey. Number 7. Koala. Our next contenders for the title of slowest animal is adorable koala. This cuddly creature spend most of their time snoozing in eucalyptus tree. Koalas are arboreal creatures spending most of their time sleeping or resting on the tree, resulting in their slow mo. Number 6. Caterpillar. Moving along, we have the caterpillar, a true symbol of transformation and patience. As they inch along, caterpillars gorge on leaves, preparing for their remarkable metamorphosis into beautiful butterfly. Their unhurried journey reminds us that change takes time, and it's worth the wait. Number 5. Starfish. Starfish move slowly using their feet, and their lack of a centralized brain contributes to their leisurely pace. Number 4. Manatee. Manatee, also known as sea cows, are large aquatic mammals that swim slowly in coastal waters and rivers. Number 3. Giant panda. Let's now meet the iconic panda. Known for their relaxed demeanor, these adorable creatures spend most of their time feasting on bamboo. Giant pandas are known for their slow and deliberate movements on the ground. Number 2. Sea cucumber. Sea cucumbers move at a very slow pace along the ocean floor using muscular contractions, resembling a slug-like motion. These remarkable creatures rely on camouflage to protect themselves from predators, and their slow motion crawl helps them blend seamlessly into their surroundings. Number 1. Loris. Lorises are small primates with slow movements, often seen clinging to branches and moving deliberately. Their slow movements helps them to navigate their arboreal habitats with precision, allowing them to carefully select their next branch or grip onto tree trunks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.